So tonight we're going to be making my mama's famous chicken and dumplings. So stay around and watch us make them. Okay, we are going to start making our dumplings now. We start out with 4 cups of flour. Okay, and then what's that? The baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking soda powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Sorry. And then optional, we got 1 tablespoon of chicken flavored bouillon. Okay. Looks good. He's going to mix that all up now. Okay, we're going to start up with a cup of liquid chicken broth. We don't use water, we use chicken broth. It gets a little more flavoring. That's the way Mama always did it. Okay, he's going to put another cup of broth in it.
Probably take 3 cups.
That's fine. We'll put the recipe down in the description below when we're done. Stir it up real good. Yeah, I think it's going to take 3 cups too. Now we used homemade chicken broth that we made ourselves and canned chicken that we canned up ourselves. Straight from our pantry. He's putting gloves on now. He's going to start using his hands. Come on, you can do it. It's like having surgery. Here we go. Now he's getting in there, getting it all mixed up. If you look, it's kind of thick.
It's hot.
Well, yeah, I'll use out of the pot over there. He's going to put it down there. There you go. Now what are you doing? Just putting a little bit in the middle because is it too dry still? Mm-hmm. Okay, he's adding a little more broth because it's still a little on the dry side. Got to be able to roll it and knead it and stuff. There we go. You're right, I can feel the heat off that. We got this mat here that he's using. We got it off Amazon. It's a silicone. My sister told him about it, so he ordered one. I like it. It's cool. Got your pie things here. And then it's got measuring temperature here. Down at the other end over there, it's got measurements. It's okay. I won't tell nobody. Best you can do. Alright, now he's going to get ready to roll it out. Can hear it squishing. Fold it over. Squish it out. Fold it over some more. Squish it. Knead it. I should say knead it, not squish. Knead is the proper word. Squish is a layman's term. Alright, he's going to start rolling it now. He does that so well. Gonna make a lot of dumplings, ain't it? Okay, now he's got his little roller thing there. And there he goes. One row. Cut, cut, cut. My husband's a very good cook. He likes to cook. I like to let him. Before my mom passed, she showed him and my daughter how to make her dumplings. So it wasn't lost. But it's not written down anywhere. It's up in his head. So I'm going to have it written down now. There we go. Now you're going to start putting them in the juice. The chicken's over there, I mean. Our pot of chicken and our chicken broth. He's going to bring the dumplings over here and put them in there, and we're going to make some dumplings. How long those got to cook for? 20 minutes. Look, they're starting to float. That's a good sign, right? Oh, yes. Okay, we're going to finish this up, and we'll be back when we get done. All right, guys, here we go. Here are the end result of those chicken and dumplings that he was making. Look how yummy those look. We're going to eat good tonight. Oh, yes. Very good stuff. Look at that. Nice, thick. Okay, tell me what you think. Please give it, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. Have a great day.